In this video, we're going to show you how to clean and descale a kettle. Keep watching because some of these methods will take you by surprise. My name's Jo and I'm from Expert Home Tips, the first place you should turn if you want to learn about DIY, home management and more. Don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss out on the latest life hacks. The first way that you can clean a kettle is using vinegar. It's one of the many ways that we use it around the home. Just fill your kettle to the maximum line with equal parts water and vinegar. Boil the kettle and leave the mixture to sit for 1 hour. Rinse thoroughly and you'll see that all the limescale is gone. Next, you can use bicarbonate of soda to clean your kettle. One way is to add 2 tablespoons to a full kettle and boil. Alternatively, you can sprinkle it directly onto the limescale. Use a soft cloth to wipe the inside and rinse. Now for a really unusual method. Descale your kettle with Coca Cola. It sounds strange, but it really does work. Pour it up to the fill line and boil. Leave to sit for 30 minutes and then rinse. Don't forget to also clean the kettle's filter. You might find a lot of limescale build up here. Slide the filter out and put it in a glass of white vinegar for 20 minutes. You can then use a scrubber or a sponge to remove any residue. For the finishing touch, don't forget to clean the outside of your kettle. Spray a cloth with an antibacterial multi-purpose cleaner and wipe the surface. Now that we've shown you our top tips, leave a comment to tell us which method you're going to try. To see the full instructions and exclusive advice, head to our website experthometips.com. We've left a link in the description box below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time for more Expert Home Tips.